This stone was meant to be an Easter egg, so today we're going to make a really easy, fun, bright Easter egg design. I gave a quick coat of Liquitex gesso, and now I'm taking a blue chalk pencil and I'm just making some wavy lines across my egg shape. These are not symmetrical, they don't match, just wavy lines, just go with it. They're meant to be unmatched and imperfect. Now I'm going to take this group of beautiful colors and we're just going to start filling in those wavy lines. So if the lines that you made with the chalk pencil are not exactly the right shape or wave that you want, this is a place where you can correct that. You might start noticing the shape, wanting to change it a little bit as you start moving into more layers of color, but I'm just going to take them and start alternating these colors and filling in my wavy lines. This year, March has been kind of challenging for me with rock painting because I'm always behind the gun. I think a lot of you are painting for seasons and holidays way before I do, and I still struggle to get stuff out early enough to you. And then March goes and has St. Patrick's Day and spring and Easter all in the same month, and it's just been kind of hard. So you got one St. Patrick's Day design, and I'm going full tilt into Easter designs now because I have several saved, some ideas sketched out that I want to do, and there's just not enough time in the month. So I think I'm going to focus the rest of March on Easter designs, and then April can be full of non-holiday spring designs, lots of flowers and just fun stuff. And then I also have some abstract, just kind of fun, relaxing kind of stuff I want to do that are more just regular designs of things that look fun to try to relax. So it's going to be a busy 2024, but we'll get through it. The thing I love about this is that my library, going years back now, almost all of them, the designs from years ago are almost all of them are relevant even now, whether it's for a holiday, for Easter, Christmas, Halloween, whatever, or seasonal or just fun designs. I think the only ones I can think of that are specific to, a very specific time is I had several COVID designs that I did, which is when the channel started. When COVID happened, that's the whole reason that I started the channel, was to share ideas and stuff. So there's a handful of those that I don't think are so applicable anymore, but almost everything. I think maybe the International Drop a Rock Day, those have a theme every year, but the theme could be used any year. They're all nice, kind phrases or words. So I think that's one of the fun things about looking back on the channel, because it's almost 4 years old now, which is crazy. Some of you guys have been with me from the very beginning, which just blows my mind. And then we have new people that have joined all along the way, and it's so cool to watch this community growing. And I'm thankful for each and every one of you. Every time I look at that subscriber count, it just blows my mind that there are thousands of you. That is just hard to wrap my brain around. So thanks for being here, and let's keep making this bright little Easter egg. This paint did need a second coat to make sure everything was nice and bright and vibrant, but I love how these colors go together, and I just wanted nice solid coverage. So that's kind of the sped up part that you're looking at right now, is just brightening everything up, making sure the chalk lines are covered up, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to take my soapstone pencil and outline, I guess like a daisy, just a 5-petal, fat little petaled flower. And I'm going to fill that with Liquitex gesso to base coat, since we're covering multiple colors, and then white paint over that. So we have a white little flower. And of course, I got a little wild with my paint and got some white onto one of my stripes. So what I did was take a damp paintbrush, I used water, and kind of scooped it off of there, and then dried it off with a paper towel, and then just did a little bit more of the blue to cover up any marks that it left behind. I know you guys like seeing my fix-its when I make mistakes, and I want you to know that I make mistakes. I make a lot of them. Now for a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to take this Folk Art Extreme Hologram Glitter Paint, and I'm going to fill in the white flower. I didn't want to make the whole egg sparkly, but I thought this would be a nice thing for the sun to catch if I hide this in a park or wherever it ends up. So just a little bit of this glitter on the white flower. Now I'm going to take some bright yellow paint and a dotting tool and add a center to this flower and swirl out the little lumpies with a disposable eyeliner brush. And to give this rock a little more character, I'm going to take a white Posca PC1MR and make little dotted lines, so kind of like stitches, across all of the stripes. So this is just giving it a little bit of pop of color and tying it to the white flower and just giving it a little bit of character. And to tie it all together, I'm going to outline the whole egg design with the Posca PC1MR with a solid line this time. And I think this came out super cute. It catches the light, it's bright, it's cheerful. Here's another variation where I put glitter paint on the stripes, and instead of doing the stitches, I did white dots because it was a little easier over the greeny glitter. And here's another one with slightly different colors. I used some Thule Art brush pens for this one and some more stitches. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.